this muppet. Don't worry about the drive home, mate. Someone will take you out. Moron.
Exit the roundabout, Slip Road. In 800 meters, merge onto Princess Freeway and...
You know how to fucking drive, mate? Really? Fuckwit?
You frightened shit out of me.
Right. Hey!
The learner.
Four Toyo passenger or SUV tyres for the price of 3 with Tyre Power's end of financial year sale. This month only. Search Tyre Power for your nearest store.
It's freezing.
Well, you have caught someone. I just saw that.
So how do they do it? Well, do they sort of like wave them down and...
They must have waved them down. Must have been speeding or something. Because anyone coming over the crest, bang. Bad boys! Applied 50 plus carpet, so $100 on carpet, so $650 or a lot plus GST.
Denied.
Denied.
What an asshole!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only... Hadouken!
So guilty for needing to take the time off work, and she was fucking sick with it. She was so bad. I remember going round to see her.
Well, that was only just a little bit red.
Fuck me.
Oh, shit!
Ew! What a fucking asshole! What a fucking asshole!
Welcome.
Not pregnant, read the display. The test fell from Colette's hand, and Ed dropped to his knees in front of her, where she sat on the edge of the bar.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Her breath hitched as she fought against tears and lost.
Wanker.
Why? She cried. Why is it never my turn? She'd never really been desired before. She'd never been anyone's girlfriend, though she wasn't quite sure she was Luca's yet. She hoped so, especially after the other night. It was entirely possible for a man like him to genuinely care about her appreciation for her. The summer dress she wore, a recent purchase, came above her knees, hugged her neat waist. It wasn't flashy either. Still simple, but thanks to Kim and Annie's style advice, a lot more.
Women's Road.
What a fucking dickhead.
No feline? No feline? I should still have feline.
On that one.